At Phaze, we're obsessed with making a remote desktop feel perfect. The details are the important thing, because the thing that makes you unwilling to use a remote desktop tool is when you notice that thing that doesn't behave exactly like it does locally, right? Something is off, something doesn't work right. You go to turn the camera, you're working on CAD, you go to turn the camera, and the thing spins around uncontrollably, right? Because it's not handling that mouse mode correctly. Or you're looking at some colors, and the colors look washed out, blurry. You can tell it's just not the same, it's not crisp. There's about 100, 1,000 maybe, of those details that we work on a regular basis. From the input handling, to the color accuracy, to the frame rate and jitter, we're obsessed with solving those problems. We dig into them on a daily basis to make this thing feel as natural and as similar to the experience you're used to as possible. That's what makes you want to use it. That's what makes the employees want to use it and makes them comfortable using it. And it's the most important thing. At Phaze, we're focused on that. Like, we understand that, and every bit of feedback that anyone has when a customer tells us this doesn't work the way it does locally, we take that, there's nothing more serious than that. That is a top priority issue for us to solve. The mission here is not, we're gonna give you something a little better to limp in and do a little work, you know, and then get out and then get local again. We want you to get in and stay there and have it feel perfect.